in this video I'm going to show you a full demonstration on how to use the ordinary niacinamide with zinc, as this is a water-based serum which you can use in the morning as well as evening and also on a daily basis. But before we're getting started, we're going to start with step number 1, which is washing your face. And this may sound so simple, but I still believe that this is an important step that we can't skip, because if you have clean fingers, a clean face, then you also will see like major improvements with the skincare products that you're also using afterwards. And so go into your bathroom over the sink and start washing your face with using a wet washcloth, as well as your favorite cleanser or just a simple bar of soap, which will do it as well. And then once you rinsed off your face with water, you're going to take a towel and start patting it dry. And now you're ready to apply any further skincare products on top. And also, if you like to, this would also be the moment where you could use a toner in between. But don't forget, the ordinary toner is only meant for the evening. So I'm going to start off with the basic rule, which is basically starting off with any water-based serums, then oil formulation as the second step, and lastly finishing it off and sealing it with any creams. And so I'm going to start off with using the hyaluronic acid, and I'm going to take 2 drops of each serum. Now, they also do recommend that you're also not using no more than 3 serums in a skincare routine if you have one. So for my second serum, I'm going to use the water-based serum, which is the niacinamide, as I did also suffer from breakouts quite a lot, but it also did improve already massively. I still have a few, but my skin has cleared so much that I'm really happy with the result already. And I've also done a full video on where I've tested the products for a whole month with pictures of each day so that you can see the improvements, which I can link right here. And now from the niacinamide, I'm also going to use 2 drops as well. Now this is basically where you would use the niacinamide, and if you're not using the hyaluronic acid, then the niacinamide would be your first water-based serum. And then from there on, moving on to any oil formulations, as well as the brightening effect, which is the magnesium one. And I'm also going to take a little bit of this one to finish it off. I'm basically just using the products that I normally would use in my morning routine, which is nearly empty. And so once you're done, this is also now for the next step, you would seal it in with a moisturizer. And you can go with any moisturizer that has SPF in it as well if you're going outside, that you have at home, or you're going to use the one from The Ordinary. That's also up to you. And there you have it. Now I've just done basically the 3 rules on how you can use them. Now another combination, if you're just having the niacinamide, then you just could combine this one also like with a normal moisturizer. So you definitely would wash your face at first, then go in with the niacinamide and then use a moisturizer on top. And if you're like me and you love to play around with makeup as well as like wearing makeup on a daily basis, then you can also, with the moisturizer that you sealed everything off, apply makeup on top, and it just works so fine. Now there's also one thing that I want to point out is that if you're using it, like if you're like me, you have a drier combination skin, then it can feel a bit drying. So I definitely would recommend using an eye cream, especially under your eyes. Also go in with a moisturizer that's very suitable for your skin type as well. Like if you have a dry skin type and you want to go in with a richer moisturizer, then that's fine too. Just make sure that you're using the water-based serum before you're applying any moisturizer to seal it. And this is also basically how you can include the niacinamide as well, and also use any other products on top after that. Now I do also hope that you now know how you can use it, and as I mentioned, if you want to see like the whole experience that I had with some of the Ordinary products, including the niacinamide, then you can also check this one out right here. And yeah, I just do hope that you enjoyed this video and also know now how you can use it. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share it, as this is an independent channel, which means that I'm buying the products with my own money. And I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!